Hi, I'm Ginger Burr from Total Image Consultants, and it's time for another Front Porch Catwalk. Today, let's talk about traveling and packing, almost no one's favorite thing. And that's often because you stand in front of your closet thinking, oh, what do I bring? And you throw things on the bed and you take them off and it makes you crazy. Or you overpack. I've done that. The key here is three things. One, you want to keep the colors consistent. Two, you want to mostly do solid colors. And three, you want to play with accessories. And I'm going to show you in photos a number of ways that I'm integrating several pieces to create multiple outfits. And I've by no means shown you all the possibilities, but you'll see a whole bunch of them. And here's one option as well. Plus, I would probably throw in a pair of jeans.